Hi, in this lesson, I am going to discuss about estimating the products. Okay, but before that, let us have a review about rounding of whole numbers. Okay, kakailanganin natin yung kaalaman na to, yung rounding of whole numbers in estimating the product. So we need to have a sort of review. Okay. Now, balikan muna natin yung rules or steps in rounding whole numbers. Okay. So, in rounding whole numbers, first thing to do is we are going to determine or look at the digit to be rounded. Okay, so that's the first step. Next is we are going to look at the next digit at the right. Now, if the next digit at the right is 5 or more than 5, we are going to add 1 to the digit. But if the next digit is less than 5, which is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, we are going to retain the number. Okay, so let's try the first example. Okay, round off the following numbers to the nearest underlined digit. Okay, now try to check number 1, 346. The underlined digit here is 3. So we are going to round this digit. Okay, so step 2, look at the next digit at the right, so which is 4. Okay, so since the next digit is 4, so we are going to retain the digit 3. So as is lang po si digit 3, kokopyahin lang natin. Then 4 and 6 will become 0. Okay? So yun po, ito po yung sagot. Now this is now the answer. Okay, 300. So if we are going to round 346 to the nearest hundreds, so the answer is 300. Okay, let us proceed with number 2. Okay, which is 86. Okay, try to look at the underlined digit. Okay, which is 8. Okay, and the next digit at the right is 6. So we are going to round this digit. Okay, since the next digit is 6, we are going to add 1. So 8 plus 1 magiging 9. That is equal to 9. Then 6 will become 0. Okay, so 90 is the rounded number of 86. Okay. Next, number 3, 9,521. Okay, the underlying digit is 9. Okay, next digit at the right is 5. So according to the rule, if the next digit at the right is 5 or more than 5, we are going to add 1. So 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. Then 5, 2, and 1 become 0. Okay, so that's how we are going to round whole numbers. Okay, next, let us proceed to our topic this time. Okay, which is estimating the products. Okay, so direction, estimate the products. Okay, number 1, 425 times 37. Okay, so we are going to estimate the product of 425 and 37. Okay, so the first step or the first thing to do in estimating the products or the product is we are going to round the two factors. 425 and 37 are called factors. Okay, we are going to round these two numbers to the highest place value. Okay, the highest place value is located at the leftmost. So here, the highest place value in 425 is 4 because 4 is in hundreds place. Okay, while here in 37, the highest place value here is 3 because 3 is in tens place. Okay. So, yung digit na nasa leftmost, okay, matatagpuan sa leftmost, yun yung digit na i-round off natin. Okay, so let's start. So, 425, we are going to round the digit 4. Then, the next digit at the right is 2. So, we are going to retain the digit 4. So, just copy the digit 4. Then, 2 and 5 become 0. Okay. How about 37? Okay, we are going to round off 3, the digit 3. The next digit at the right is 7, so we are going to add 1. So 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Then 7 becomes 0. Okay, so these are now our new factors. So next step, after rounding the numbers to the highest place value, we are now going to multiply the new factors. Okay, so in multiplying whole numbers, okay, naituro ko na ito in my previous video. Okay, of course, we are going to multiply the ones digit of the multiplier to all the digits in the multiplicand. So 0 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 4. Then multiply the tens digit in the multiplier to all the digits in the multiplicand. So ganun po yung proper way, okay, the correct way in multiplying whole numbers. But in this case, try to check, okay, para mas mapabilis, maaari po natin kokopyahin yung number of zeros na nasa factors. So let's try to count kung ilang zeros ang makikita natin sa factors. We have 1, 2, 3. So tatlo yung zeros. So we are going to write 3 zeros here in the answer. Okay. Then multiply 4 by 4. So 4 times 4, that is equal to 16. So 16 is the estimated product. Okay, 16,000 is the estimated product of 425 and 37. Okay, next let us proceed with number 2. Okay, number 2 example, 654 times 23. Okay, so first thing to do is we are going to round the two numbers, the two factors to the highest place value. Okay, so in 654, the digit that is in the highest place value is 6. Okay, so next digit at the right of 6 is 5. So according to the rule, if the next digit is 5, we are going to add 1. So 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Then 5 and 4 becomes 0. Okay, next 23. Okay, the digit to be rounded here is 2. Okay, next digit at the right is 3. So, that is less than 5. So, we are going to retain the number. So, as is lang po, kokopyahin natin ang 2. Then, 3 magiging 0. Then, multiply. Okay, we are now going to multiply the new factors. 720. So, again, paano ba mag-multiply pag ganito yung multiplicand and multiplier or factors? Okay, just count the number of zeros. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. So write 3 zeros in the answer. Then 2 and 7. Multiply 2 and 7. That is equal to 14. Okay, so 14 is the estimated product. Okay. Estimated product of 654 and 23. Okay, another one. Let's have another example. Number 3. Okay, let's have number 3. Okay, 821 times 56. Okay, we are going to find or estimate the product of 821 and 56. Okay, ano nga yung unang gagawin? We are going to round the factors to the highest place value. So una, titingnan natin yung digit na nasa highest place value. Here, the digit that is in the highest place value is 8. Okay, 8. Try to check the next digit at the right, that is 2. So ano ang gagawin? Okay, we are going to retain the number. So kukopyahin lang si 8. Then 2 and 1 magiging 0. Okay, next 56. Okay, the digit in the highest place value is 5. Okay, the next digit at the right is 6. So ang gagawin natin, add 1 tayo. Now we are going to add 1 to 5. So 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Then 6 will become 0. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung new factors natin, new numbers. Then we are now going to proceed to the second step, which is we are going to multiply the factors, the new factors. So here, count the number of zeros in the factors, or just count the number of zeros in the multiplicand and multiplier. So we have 1, 2, 3. So write 3 zeros in the answer. Then next, multiply 6 and 8. 6 times 8, that is equal to 48. So 48,000 is the estimated product of 821 and 56. Okay, ganun lang po kadali mag-estimate ng product. That's how easy we estimate the product. Okay, number 4. Okay, let's proceed with the last example. Okay, let's try. Okay, 8,725 times, let's say, 634. Okay, so this time, try to check. The multiplicand has 4 digits, while the multiplier has 3 digits. Okay, so the same procedure, the same steps na susundin natin. Okay, so kahit magiging 5 digit by 4 digits ito, the same steps pa rin yung susundin natin. So first step, we are going to round the two numbers or the two factors to the highest place value. Okay, i-round up natin yung digit na nasa leftmost. Okay, leftmost is 8. Ito yung may highest place value kasi this is in thousands place. 8 is in thousands place. So, next digit at the right is 7. So, add 1 tayo sa 8. So, we are going to add 1. So, 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. 7, 2 and 5 ay magiging 0. Magiging 0 po yan. Okay, next, 634. Okay, the digit in the leftmost is 6. So, we are going to round this digit. Okay, kasi ito yung nasa highest place value, which is hundreds place. So, next digit at the right is 3. So, ang gagawin natin dito, retain. Kasi hindi nakaabot ng 5, less than 5. Okay, so kukopyahin lang natin si 6, then 3 and 4 magiging 0. Okay, so these are now the new factors. Okay, and proceed tayo sa second step, which is multiply the factors or the new factors. So, again, para mas madali, para mas mabilis, let's just count the number of zeros na makikita sa multiplicand and multiplier. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 zeros. So, isusulat din natin yung 5 zeros sa answer, sa sagot. 4, 5. Then, multiply 6 and 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, so, write 54. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, 5,400,000 is the estimated product of 8,725 and 634. Okay. So, yun lang po, no? That's how easy to estimate the products. Okay? So, ano yung steps? Balikan natin. Dalawa lang po, no? There are 2 steps in estimating the product. First is we are going to round the factors to the highest place value. Okay. Number 2, okay, multiply the new factors. Okay. Or multiply the rounded numbers. Okay. So again, in estimating the products, okay, meron po tayong dalawang steps na kailangang tandaan or susundin, no? So the first step is we are going to round the factors to the highest place value. Okay, number 2, multiply the new factors or the rounded numbers. Okay, so again, I just hope na meron po kayong natutunan sa videong ito, and please, kung meron po kayong natutunan sa video, please po huwag kalimutang i-click yung like button na nasa baba, nasa matatagpuan sa ibaba, and of course, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel para magiging updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos na gagawin ko. Okay, again, pwede nyo itong i-share sa mga classmates ninyo, mga kakilala ninyo para makatulong din. Okay, yun lang po, and maraming salamat.